right, this is for 13 through 16, where you were supposed to use this lovely picture to answer a bunch of things. I tried to redraw it the best I could, but mine looks a little wonky. But there was a symbol here on your paper. It looked to me like it was the parallel line symbol, indicating that these two lines are parallel. I couldn't really tell because it was kind of blurry. Could have also been an 11. But I'm going to assume that it was parallel because I needed that information to figure out the rest of it. So this 55 degrees was given. And if these two lines are parallel, I'm going to assume that these two lines are parallel too. Might not be true, but I'm going to assume that because otherwise I'm not sure how you would figure out the rest of the angles. So if this is a parallelogram, that's 55 degrees. That means that's 55 degrees. Also means these two are the same, and a quadrilateral has a total of 360 degrees. So I added them up and subtracted 360 minus 110, which gave me 250. So I divided by 2, which gave me 125 each. Knowing that that's, well, assuming that that's 125, we know that the total degrees of a straight line is 180. So I subtracted 180 minus 125, which gave me that angle of 55 degrees, further proving my theory that these lines are parallel. So if that was 55 degrees, that was one of the questions, right? Yeah, STU is 55. I also figured out the SUR because of what I just said with the figuring out the total of the quadrilateral. It told you on here that this whole line segment, PR, is 24. And since those two are congruent, each one would be 12, which again, I'm assuming if this is a parallelogram, ST would also be 12. I can't imagine it's not a parallelogram because it doesn't give you enough information otherwise. QT, however, I still don't know how to figure out. So hopefully with that information, you know more than I do, and you can figure out QT. Yeah, sorry, I couldn't get that one.